Hi guys, it's Annie at Travers RV, located in beautiful downtown Eureka, Missouri. Today I'm going to show you some of our budget campers. They're a lower price point for the people just starting out. Some of these can be just as low as a cell phone payment. So if you want to come inside, I'll show you around the KZ Escape 181 KS. Outside we have the power awning, the LED lights, and we also have the speakers that are inside, outside speakers. And you'll notice that the side of the 181 KS has aluminum frame and fiberglass siding, which is better insulation. When you're camping outside, it holds in your air, heat a little bit better. And there's also the storage area on the outside. And the scissor jacks as well. And you'll notice on the outside there's lights on the wheel wells, so when you're traveling down the road, other people can see you so they know how much space you have on the road. Now, if you want to come inside, I can show you the floor plan. And in the inside of the 181 KS, you'll notice that it has a dinette here that breaks down into a bed. If you have some other people coming along, it's about a twin-size bed. And it also has a full-size queen bed. And something kind of cool about the Escapes is that all of your tanks are actually enclosed inside of the camper. So whenever it is cold outside, you don't have to worry about your tanks freezing. And then if you look over here, this is the one slide of the KZ Escape 181 KS. It has the gas electric refrigerator, as well as the convection and microwave oven. And there's tons of overhead storage up top for those plates, cups, and any dishware that you have on your trips. And you have the 2-burner cook stove. And again, more storage underneath the sink. And all the flooring in the KZs is all linoleum, which is scratch resistant and stain resistant. So when you're on those camping trips, you don't have to worry about any rocks or your pet's nails scratching the linoleum. Then you also have pantry storage as well. And also on the inside, you have the Bluetooth capability radio, so it works with your smartphone as well. In the bathroom of the 181 KS, it has the circular shower with the skylight above and the fan. And if you come in and see me, Annie, at Travers RV, you can get into this KZ Escape for as little as $125 a month. So come down and see me at the exit of 261, right across from Six Flags St. Louis.